friends, welcome to Make Money Reality Show. This is challenge number 1 and this is episode number 6 for challenge number 1, which is how to make money with auto blogging. And today in this episode number 6, I'm going to talk about how to make more money. I'm sure you want to know that, right? This show or this video is brought to you by MakeMoneyRealityShow.com. Now, if you remember, these are the 5 auto blogs I had launched, and if you want more information for any of these 5 blogs, you can always go to ultimateautoblogging.com and you can catch up over there how I launched these 5 auto blogs for the toys market. You also remember these 5 goals, which was get indexed by Google within 2 weeks. I got indexed for all the 5 auto blogs within 1 week. The second one was top 10 Google SERP in 4 weeks. I was there in top 10 within 1 week. Then the next one was the top 5 Google SERP in 6 weeks. I was there in 1 week. So of first 3 goals I had achieved within 1 week. The fourth goal is make money with AdSense in 90 days. I've achieved that within 1 month, so that means 4 weeks again. And I'll show you I made good money over there through AdSense. And the fifth goal was make money with Amazon or any other affiliates platform. And I had to use Amazon, and I made money. It's good money in 4 weeks. So I've achieved basically all the goals within 4 weeks. And I'm going to share with you in this video how much money I have made and how you can do the same. So I'm happy because I've achieved all the goals, right? Makes you happy, so I'm very, very happy that I've done that. But here is something which is more interesting, that I made money on AdSense. It's $24.72 in 4 weeks. And I made money on Amazon, which is $52.76 in 4 weeks. And I'm going to show you these accounts. I can't show you everything because of the terms and conditions which we normally sign with AdSense and Amazon, but I can show you as much as I can, and that much it would be shown. So now I'm going to switch over the screen. So this is my Google's AdSense account. As you can see over here, you can also see here today's earning is $4.19 within 1 day, and I have made here $24.72 since the day I entered into this competition. And now I'm going to show you the Amazon, and this is because just to protect and not basically violate the Google AdSense terms and conditions. So now you can see over here, I basically sold in 4 weeks $879.25 worth of toys. Man, oh man, this is huge, right? And I, as commission, I made basically $52.76. And I can show you today's date is November the 6th. And you can see over here, this is October the 1st because these were launched on October the 2nd. So that's why I did from October the 1st. And today's date is November the 6th. So that's why it shows here November the 6th. Let me show you a little bit more about you can see here these are Squinkies toys, the Nerf, these are the Stampede Monster. All of these are toys, Hot Wheels. So you can see all of these are toys which have been sold using this account. So you can see here that this money which I'm sharing with you here is for real. And the challenge which basically I would report at the end of 90 days. But I'm sure, as you can see, the way I'm making money, it seems that it wouldn't be huge, but for sure it would be significant enough that these are auto blogs, so keep in mind. And the only thing which I started doing here is now I started running Google AdWords campaign for 2 of these blogs, which is Monster Hi Dolls one, and the other one is Squinky's Toys. That's why you see that the sales has picked up on those two blogs. I've not been running for any other website so far, and I don't want to, because I want to keep it really low, with very, very low expenses. That's the intent here, and basically see that how much money I can make money, and share with you at the end of this challenge also at the same time. So with that, I want to say thank you very much for being with me and sharing and boosting my morale all the time, and sharing your comments, and I always look for your comments. So if you have not been to, make sure you go to ultimateautoblogging.com, and don't forget to go to makemoneyrealityshow.com to watch these kind of reality shows. With that, thank you very much. Bye-bye, and you have a nice day.